How to increase stitches in crochet. First, we're going to single crochet, starting with the spaces in the first space. Insert your crochet hook through the space. See the two underneath the two loops, and we're going to pull a yarn with your crochet hook, pull it through the front of the space. There are two yarns over, yarn over, pull through both loops. Repeat in the same space, insert through both top loops where you see, pull a yarn through, pull it through the front of the space, two loops, yarn over, pull through the last two loops. Repeat. And notice that the row is now wider. To complete the next row, to emphasize that increase, turn the work to the back, chain 1, single crochet 1 in the first stitch, into the next stitch. We're going to single crochet 1 in each and every space. So to do that, notice that the stitches look tighter, smaller, but that's okay if you look close. 2 stitches sit inside one space. See the former space? Right here. You completed the row. Turn the work back around and notice the work is well emphasized. If you wish to increase more in your work, insert your crochet hook through the space. On the top are the 2 loops here, and pull a yarn through the space. Loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. And repeat the same steps again. And notice that each time you increase, the row gets wider. Here's the end of the row. To emphasize once again, turn the work, chain 1, single crochet in the first space, single crochet 1 in every space. Just once again, notice that the stitches become smaller or not so wholly. Insert your hook. Here's the 2 underneath the 2 loops. Pull a yarn through, pull through. 2 is on your hook, yarn over, pull through. If you follow in this same format, the work will become rippled. A nice flowy effect. Here's the end. Turn the work over and you're ready to start again.